In this video, we're going to look at adding the same caregiver to multiple appointments in the future at once. So let's head over to the schedule section to get started. We're in the schedule section under the clients tab, so we have all of our clients listed in the grid here on the left hand side. If we look at Pam Beasley at the top, we see unscheduled appointments for Saturday and Sunday. Oftentimes when you're scheduling a client, you're going to be looking to add the same caregiver to multiple appointments at once, because they usually have a caregiver that they like to work with, and that caregiver likes to work with them too, and you're going to try to add for multiple appointments at the same time. So click into the first unscheduled appointment here, and instead you can just set the caregiver for the single appointment here, or we can go to edit multiple appointments, and that way we can make edits to multiple appointments at the same time. So if we go there, we see a calendar here. The day that we went under start with is selected, so we see selected appointments right here. So May 17th is the selected appointment. We see that we have the time on it, the category, the appointment category is hourly, the caregiver category is certified, funding is Michael Scott for it. So we see the blue appointments, and that means that a caregiver is already booked for those appointments. And we see the red, which means that no caregiver is booked yet. To select days, you can just click the days. If you want to select every Monday, for instance, you can just press the Monday at the top, press it again to unselect, same with Tuesday or any of the days. If you want to select select all of the unscheduled visible dates, you can press that, and you can see how those all got selected. If you want to select all visible dates, you can press select all visible dates. You can see them get selected, or you can unselect all dates. You can toggle here to go forward or backward months, but we are right here. So why don't we schedule a full week out? So we'll do Saturday through Friday. Once we select the dates that we want, we can see them all listed here. So seven appointments. We do edit selected dates. So that tells us what's selected for all of those dates so far. I guess some of those are set at different rates. Not a big deal, but we'll just leave everything how it is. And all we're looking for is we want to schedule a caregiver. So we want to do Suzanne Collins. We're happy with the check-in and check-out locations, but you can edit any of this stuff on multiple dates at once if you want. But we're happy with Suzanne Collins. We're going to hit save, and now we see that Saturday, Sunday, we have Suzanne Collins. Look at the next week, we have Suzanne Collins on all of those appointments now. So this is a great way for how you can edit multiple appointments, and it's a much faster way than clicking into every appointment to add the same caregiver. I hope this helps. Have a great day.